Alright, quick review of Sondo AI. So I tested out Sondo AI in 2026, and I'll be honest, this one's a bit of a mixed bag. At first, it looks great. You sign up, get free credits, and it claims you can turn a song into a video for just a small amount of credits. But here's the catch. Those credits only cover the analysis. Once you actually try to render the full video, you suddenly need way more, like over 1,000 credits. And that's where it gets expensive fast. People are reporting spending real money just to finish a single short video. Now visually it can look impressive. Cool cyberpunk styles, synced to music, but it's inconsistent. Weird glitches, odd AI mistakes, and you can't even preview before burning credits. If you're looking for better options, tools like CapCut, Runway, or Luma Dream Machine are way more predictable. Bottom line, looks cool but not worth it for most creators.